It's summertime, the best time to visit Spain.
In Paris, it's expected to hit 38 degrees today Celsius, topped by Madrid at 39.
Madrid is known to be a very hot city during the summertime, which makes the number of tourists visiting the city drop drastically at this time of the year. Madrid, the beautiful capital of Spain, happens to be one of the most visited cities in Europe. But this is not the case during summertime. Most people prefer to go to the coastal part of Spain like Barcelona, Malaga, Valencia, and so on. Not for anything else, but for the beach. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what you can do in Madrid during the summertime, how you can move around without a tour guide, the shortcuts you can take to arrive at the historical sites, because basically everywhere is just around everywhere. And also, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you tips on how you can travel from Madrid to the coastal cities like Barcelona, Malaga, Valencia, and so on the Spanish high-speed train at affordable prices. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on this one. Now let's get into the video. Let's do a little bit of geography. This is the map of Spain, and right here in the middle is Madrid. It's nowhere near the sea nor the ocean. Madrid is the most beautiful city in Spain. When I say beautiful, I mean the architecture and the history of Madrid is mind-blowing. In any part of Madrid that you might find yourself, get a bus, train, or taxi to Puerta del Sol. The Metro card is available at all metro stations, and with 10 euros you can get a Metro card with 6 trips, which you can also use on the bus and on the metro. So this is me at Puerta del Sol, trying to stay alive under the Madrid hot sun. This is literally the place where most tourists emerge to start their day and visiting Madrid. Puerta del Sol is a very important site, not just in Madrid but in Spain at large. Apart from the fact that you can find the office of the government of Madrid located here, this core is like the center point where the whole of Spain meets. It is called Kilometer Zero, and it's right in front of the office of the government of Madrid, and you will find tons of people on the line trying to take pictures, so you can as well join the line and take pictures or make videos of this place if you want to. Don't miss the statue of the bear and the strawberry tree, Madroño and Oso. This statue is as important as Madrid. It is the logo and the emblem of Madrid. If you are a football fan, this is the logo you find on the shirt of Athletic Madrid. You will find it everywhere and almost on everything in Madrid. It is said that the strawberry tree, which is Madroño in Spanish, used to be everywhere before people started living here, which is where they get the name Madrid from. If you enjoyed this history, please give this video a like and tell us in the comment section if you want to hear more. Now we will be heading to Plaza Mayor, which is like 3 to 5 minutes away from Puerta del Sol. Plaza Mayor, a few minutes walk distance away from Puerta del Sol, is another place to visit on your next trip to Madrid. This plaza is known to host beautiful and important events in Madrid. Important events like the Royal Parade and musical concert holds here. I remember the last time I was here was when Arsenal was playing Real Madrid in the quarterfinals of the Champions League. It was a lovely experience because at the end of the day, Arsenal won. This plaza is packed with lots of Spanish restaurants and souvenir shops. If you want to buy something to remember Madrid and Spain for yourself and your loved ones, this might be your place. So if you're visiting Madrid soon, don't miss out on this plaza. Mercado San Miguel is the next on the list. This iconic tapas bar and restaurant is the perfect place you can take a break from the Madrid sun during the summertime. Though it might be a little bit expensive from other restaurants, but I'm telling you, this experience is worth it. So add this place to your bucket list when you're visiting Madrid during summer and you will love it. Now let's head back to Puerta del Sol, where we will be taking another turn leading to the Royal Palace. But before we do that, I have a tip for you. Spain is known for its special ham, which is Jamón Ibérico, and if you want to get the best Jamón Ibérico when you come to Madrid, this is the place to go. It doesn't have to be this actual one I'm showing on this video, because there are tens of them everywhere you go in Madrid. But if you want to hit the best Jamón when you come to Madrid, just look for Museo de Jamón around where you are and thank me later. Back to Puerta del Sol. We will be taking the same direction we used while we go into Plaza Mayor, but instead we take the first turn from the right side. This direction leads to Palacio Real, which is the Royal Palace in English. The walking distance from Palacio Real to Puerta del Sol is around 5 to 7 minutes. And on the way to the Royal Palace from Puerta del Sol, you will find beautiful architectures like this one. Looks like a cathedral or something. I don't even know what this is, but this is really beautiful. And not far from here, you see another beautiful architectural structure, which is said to be Madrid's opera or theater. This is another tip for you. If you're coming to Madrid with your friends or loved one, this tuk-tuk right here is the best option to see the city. They are allowed to get into places where the city bus tour cannot get into. They are very affordable. Well, that depends on how good your bargain skill is. Now back to the video. Behind the opera building is the Palacio Real, also known as the Royal Palace. So from this place to Puerta del Sol is going to be around 5 to 7 minutes. Been roaming around Madrid for like an hour now, and few meters away from the Royal Palace is where I am at this beautiful garden park, and it looks very peaceful. You know, it's not so hot here. You can even feel the weather of today. It's so peaceful in here. I don't know if you can hear the sounds of birds, you know, singing, and you know, very quiet. It feels like you miles away from the city center from Madrid. This is how close this place is to the city center. It is the Plaza de España, which is like literally the center of Madrid. And from this park, you can literally see the tower. I think most tourists don't know about this place, because if you see how empty this place is, and just behind the Royal Palace here, you see lots of numbers, thousands of tourists walking around trying to get water and a beer to cool off, while you can just walk in down here and relax, you know, and you just relax for a while and continue with the trip or the tour. I just found you a picnic spot just in case you're visiting with your partner. I'm just about to leave the garden, and this is how close the garden is to the city center. So if you're visiting Madrid during the summertime and you need a place to cool off, the garden or the park behind the Royal Palace is your spot, and the entrance is free. The next place we are going to visit is the Plaza de España. Plaza de España is like 5 to 10 minutes walk away from the Royal Palace. It is one of the popular places to cool off during the summer. At this plaza, you find loads of people with their loved ones trying to survive the heat wave. Some come with their kids to enjoy the playground with the air conditioner, while some come with their pets.
Wow, this is refreshing.
Now it's time to go to the coastal cities. And how do I get there at an affordable price? I promised at the beginning of this video that I will give you a travel hack for affordable train ticket, most especially at this time of the year that everyone is leaving Madrid, which makes the tickets very expensive. So this is it. Let's say for an example you've always wanted to visit Malaga or Valencia. Flights are very expensive to this destination during summer. Plan a low-cost trip to Madrid and use this hack to visit both Madrid and the coastal city of your choice. First, don't look for tickets on Trainline. They're a third-party company and the only reason they exist is to rip you off. In Spain, the companies that operate high-speed rail services are Renfe, Iryo, and Wigo. Visit their official website separately, compare the prices, and look out for these days of the week. The average time of traveling from Madrid to the coastal cities is around 2 to 3 hours. That is if you're using this hack and traveling by the train. If you want to travel from Madrid to the coastal cities, driving or using the bus can be around 6 to 8 hours thereabout. And the traveling cost can be double, sometimes triple. So if you want to come to Spain to enjoy Madrid and the coastal cities, make use of this hack that I just showed you and thank me later. I just bought a ticket from Madrid to Alicante using the same hack, so see you in Alicante. If this is your first time coming across this channel, well, you come to the right place, because what I do is go to beautiful destinations, share my experience with travel tips. So if you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe button so that you can get to see my next video and enjoy the tips I'm going to be sharing. Don't forget to give this video a like and also remember to leave your opinion in the comment section. See you on the next one. Have a good day.